Andiamo! Okay, so first things first, wash your hands. Any soap will work. Okay, so I don't wear a lot of makeup. I usually just put concealer on in my critical area. I travel all the time, so I'm always jet lagged, and I try to cover this part as much as I can, and I put a little bit of blush on. I don't really wear mascara that much. I really care for my beauty products because having a really good bedtime routine is going to help you have the best skin that you can get. So let's start off with taking my makeup off, whatever I have on. So it's just like a simple kind of like cleansing thing, and these are the softest that you can get. They're called the night calming ones. They're my favorite. So I kind of like actually do this like 3 times a day, just because there's a lot of pollution and I live in a big city and I go all the way behind my ears just to make sure I'm super clean. So that wasn't much. Next step, I have kind of like a mixed skin, so I tend to get really oily, especially in summer in my T area. I love to wash my skin with this. This is, you can use it as a mask, you can use it as a cleanser, and this is my facialist. She's Sarah Chapman, and she makes these, and she's awesome, and I love her. And now we wait. 2 minutes. It can be 5. It's really relaxing. It has the best smell. I wish you could smell this. If you ever go to London, make sure you have a facial at Sarah Chapman's. Now we wash it off. Okay. Since I love to leave it a little bit on my face, I just kind of clean it with a towel. And this will end up being some sort of a night cream that will clean out your pores through the night and leave your skin really fresh. Next step, I use a moisturizer. Either a serum like the ESTEE LAUDER Advanced Night Repair. This is something that I use when I'm super jet lagged. So I use a few drops of these and I just kind of like massage my face with them. You just kind of like pat it into your skin. You just kind of like make sure it really goes into your skin. And you do this for a couple of minutes. It's so relaxing. Okay, now we're glowing. I do have a secret. So I have a lot of baby fat in my face. And I really need something to firmer skin and a toned up skin, and I found the best solution for that, and I swear by it, and it's my friend Pia who actually told me about it. This company is called NeuFace. I use this every day. So what we'll do is we'll put a primer on, because that's how it works. You put this primer on your face and then you just kind of like massage and lift. So you want to take a little bit, and the effect that you want is for it to look like your face is wet. You don't have to necessarily put a lot of it. Just make sure that wherever you go with the device on your face, it just needs to be wet. 5 seconds. Massage, lift, and you do this all over. And you kind of like do it 3 times. You wait for the signal and then you stop. No double chin for me anymore. When I first tried it, I saw a huge difference in the first like 2 minutes, and it's insane. So if you do it every day, it's definitely going to make a difference. This is pretty much the treatment that you get when you get a facial. So this is creating cheekbones and it's defining them. When my skin is at its driest, I use this, and this is something I don't use a lot. It's really moisturizing, so I use this only when I'm on an airplane and I need to be beautiful when I land. Another one of my favorites. So I usually put this on and sleep with this on. It's a smoothing, plumping, and brightening black rose cream mask. Masque crème à la rose noire. Sounds really good in French. You leave it on for 10-15 minutes, or you just leave it on in the whole night. My latest discovery in terms of masks, I use them a lot, is actually Charlotte Tilbury, the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. So with this, you pretty much get a baby skin, but it's a really fast process. Like, you can do it every day. It's that easy on your skin. Especially if you've got like no primers helping, this will help you. So use this before anything, like before your moisturizer, before your primer, before your foundation. And this is going to save you. It's been 3 years that people always ask me, what perfume do you use? I actually have been using this for a long time. SANTAL 33 is my perfume. I put this on even when I go to bed because it just makes me feel good. I wake up and I smell nicely. Ready for bedtime.